Welcome to my channel. I'm Jerry Sidora and I reside here in Columbus, Ohio. Today is August 13, 2023. Happy Sunday. As you can see from behind me, it is a beautiful, beautiful day. It's about 83 degrees Fahrenheit, which is about 28 degrees Celsius. Thank you, Google. Today we're visiting Festival Latino in Columbus, Ohio. It's the largest Latino event in Ohio. It's held at Genoa Park on the west bank of the Scioto River, between Broad Street and Rich Street. Genoa Park is behind COSI, the Center of Science and Industry. Festival Latino is a two-day annual event in Columbus. It's free and family-friendly. Festival Latino celebrates the heart of Latin America. Familia, cultura, arte, música y comida. So let's go check out Festival Latino and let's have some fun. Festival Latino started in 1996. It has celebrated over 25 years of Latin American pride. Festival Latino provides Ohio an experience of traditional and contemporary Latin American culture. Sabrosa y tan dulce como un mango. Una chica de Bahía con milagros. Cantita bien caro. La baiela, brasilera canta a capela. Dime en portugués todo lo que quieras. Yo te llego en cualquier manera. Send me automatic. Shoot my shot in verse until I had it. Pajama, she was cinematic. Speak to me in tongues like a fanatic. Yeah, she a fan of it. Le gusta bien caro. En un Ferrari bien caro, con mucho clase caro, con un estilo bien caro. Me gusta bien caro, en lencería bien caro, con un alma bien caro. Baby, yo sé que tú es caro. Yeah, okay. Me dañaste todo de mi mente, soñando toda la noche de ti y tú solamente. Enamorado, eso se me dio, ay Dios. Perreando toda la noche en la pared. I just wanna feel you up against my head. Baby, just wind up all on me. Be my champagne and party. Ela no barata. Ela no barata. Ela no barata. Send me automatic. Shoot my shot in verse until I had it. Pajama, she was cinematic. Speak to me in tongues like a fanatic. Yeah, she a fan of me. Me gusta bien caro. En un Ferrari bien caro. Con mucho clase caro. Con un estilo bien caro. Me gusta bien caro. En lencería bien caro. Con un alma bien caro. Baby, yo sé que tú es caro. Ohio is big and proud of its diversity. They have the Black Expo in May, the Asian Festival also in May, the Arts Festival in June, Blues and Jazz Festival also in June, the ComFest and also the LGBTQ Pride Festival in June. They also have a music festival, a wine festival, and a rib fest all in July. the Irish Festival in August, and believe me, there are many, many more that I'm overlooking. So thanks again, guys, for joining me on this adventure and for joining me on this trip. I hope you guys had a lot of fun. Happy Festival Latino.